Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Helpertech. So what I'm working on this morning here is I had a customer come in from Apple Valley and dropped off their iPad 6th generation for a screen repair. So as you can see, I've already removed the broken screen, and here's what it had looked like previously. I don't know if the camera's picking up all the cracks, but this thing here is completely shattered. Good section on the bottom down here missing, so obviously they wanted to get this repaired. So again, I've already gone and removed all that broken glass and prepped the device for the new screen. So just want to show you a few things inside here before I go ahead and seal up the device. So what we're looking at here is, you can see the battery. The iPads do require a fair amount of power, so they've got a fairly large battery inside. As you can see, again, takes up a good chunk of the internals. So another item we're looking at down here on each side, we've got our Wi-Fi cables. One of the most important parts of removing the screen is to make sure that we don't damage these Wi-Fi cables in the process, or we're going to have to go ahead and replace those. A couple other things we're looking at here. We got the headphone jack up here, front-facing camera over here, and the rear-facing camera over on this side. All three of those components are replaceable if you're having an issue with your iPad. So now that I've got the device fully prepped, I've got all the broken glass removed and all the old adhesive as well. Now I can start to go ahead and secure the new screen onto the device. So all we have to do for that, as you can see right here, we've got two connectors for the digitizer, and then we also have a home button connector down here. So all I've got to do now is just connect these cables. Okay, got those lined up, and then we also have to reseat the home button connector cable here. Okay, now that those are in place, we can also take the LCD assembly and reattach that as well. All right. And now we're to the point where if I was ready to actually seal this down all the way, I would power the device on, and we would quickly test it to make sure that the digitizer is good. Now, I don't know if you can see that or not, but this battery is actually dead, so I'm going to have to charge this back up before I can do my post-check and know that this is secure and I can seal it down. So, but again, just wanted to show you really quickly what the inside of an iPad looks like and a little bit of the process for repairing the screen. Again, if you need an iPad repaired, no matter what generation it is or the problem that you're having, we can help you out with that. You're welcome to come into either of our stores. We have locations in both Eagan and Burnsville, or you can give us a call at 651-605-2570 and ask us any questions you might have about your iPad repair. Thanks for your time, everybody, and we'll catch you later.